Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how we can whiten our teeth. So if you want to brighten your teeth, just come here. We will need baking soda, soda bicarbonate. We will need Colgate and some little water. So guys, let's begin. We put 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of water. Then we put some little Colgate and we mix. You can also put some lemon if you want, but me, I don't want to put lemon. We mix. You mix very well so that everything gets mixed up. Then you are ready to go. You can brush your teeth. Let me try from here. I'll leave it for some 10 minutes. Then I'll come back later. We'll see if there is some change. So guys, after some 10 minutes, it will be looking like this, and I'm gonna wash it off. I wanna see if there is some difference. I got this idea from YouTube and I wanna know if there is some difference. Alright, let's go in some light. We check. So if you can see some change, I recommend. But if you don't see some any change, just leave it. But to me, I have tried it on my teeth and there is some change. So if you continue using it, your teeth will be so wow. Hello. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi to my subscribers. Lily? Lily, say hi. Hi. Lily? You want to sleep? Side eye. Offensive side eye. Criminal side eye. Offensive side eye. Criminal side eye. Ah, Lily.